वार्षिक पाठ्यक्रम 2024-25 क्लास 8 विषय हिंदी का ये पाठ्यक्रम है और आप पाठ्यक्रम देखते रहिए और मैं अपनी पढ़ाई करता रहूँ। वर्क प्लेज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल इन आवर लाइफ्स एज इंडिविजुअल्स एंड एज ए मेंबर ऑफ सोसाइटी. Every rational man aims to get engaged in certain work to earn a living. Some work on farms, in factories, banks, shops, and few other works at home. Work at home includes not only traditional work like weaving, lace making, or variety of handicrafts, but also modern jobs like programming work in the IT industry. Earlier, factory work meant working in factories located in cities, whereas now technology has enabled people to produce those factory based goods at home in villages. During COVID-19 pandemic, millions of workers delivered their products and services through work from home. तो कुछ इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स हैं वर्क से संबंधित, उसको भी हम देखना पसंद करेंगे. पीपल वर्क फॉर अर्निंग अ लिविंग. एम्प्लॉयमेंट इज एन activity from which a person earns means of livelihood. Some people get money by inheriting it. However, it does not completely satisfy anybody. Being employed in work gives us a sense of self-worth and enables us to relate ourselves meaningfully with others. Every working person contributes to national income by engaging in various economic activities. We work not only for ourselves but also for those who depend on us, like our family. It gives us a sense of accomplishment when we work to meet their requirements. The study of working people gives us insights into the quality and nature of employment in our country and helps in understanding and planning our human resources. It helps in analyzing the contribution made by different industries and sectors towards national income. It also helps us to address many social issues such as exploitation of marginalized sections of the society, child labor, etc. So, let us first understand few basic concepts relating to employment such as worker, labor force and वर्कफोर्स. इनके बीच में क्या डिफरेंसेस हो सकते हैं उनको देखने का हम प्रयास करेंगे. वर्कर. A worker is an individual who is involved in some economic activity to earn a living. Worker is an individual who is involved in some economic activity to earn living. A worker contributes to the process of gross domestic product (GDP) by rendering his productive activities. Some examples of workers are farmers, managers, laborers, doctors, barbers, professors, etc. So, who all are included in workers? It is generally believed that people who are paid by employer are workers. However, this is not true. It also includes self-employed person like shopkeepers, barbers, cobblers, etc. It also includes those people who remain temporarily absent from work due to illness, injury, or other physical disability, bad weather, festivals, social or religious functions, or some other reasons. It also includes those people who help the main workers. It means all those who are engaged in economic activities in whatever capacity are worker. So the term worker include all those people who are engaged in work, whether for others, that is paid workers, or for themselves, self-employed workers. Okay. Now, nature of employment in India is multifaceted. Some get employment throughout the year, while others get employed for only a few months in a year, like seasonal workers. Many workers don't get fair wages for their work. While estimating the number of workers, all those who are engaged in economic activities are included as employed. Number of workers during 2017-18, the total number of workers in India was 471 million persons. Since majority of our people resides in rural areas, the proportion of workforce residing there is higher. So, out of 471 million workers, nearly two-thirds were rural workers. Around 77% of total workers are male workers and the rest are female workers. Female workers has less number. Rural women participate in larger number in productive activities as compared to the urban women. Among the rural workers, the share of female workers is more than one-fourth, whereas share is around one-fifth in case of urban workers. In rural areas, many women carry out works like cooking, fetching water and fuel, wood, and participating in farm labor. They are either not paid wages in cash or are paid in form of grains. For this reason, these women are not categorized as workers. However, it is often argued that these women should also be called workers. So these are few important points on worker, different aspects related with the workers. Okay, let us know few things about the GDP or GNP. GDP refers to the total money value of all goods and services produced in a country. ग्रॉस डोमेस्टिक प्रोडक्ट और जीएनपी क्या होता है? जीएनपी व्हेन नेट अर्निंग्स आर एडेड टू जीडीपी. नेट जीडीपी में अगर हम एनएफआईए को ऐड करते हैं तो ये हमारा जीएनपी बन जाता है. तो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड नेट अर्निंग्स आर एडेड टू जीडीपी. वी गेट जीएनपी. दोज एक्टिविटीज़ विच कंट्रीब्यूट टू जीएनपी आर कॉल्ड इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज़. नेट अर्निंग का मतलब क्या? डिफरेंस बिटवीन द इम्पोर्ट पेमेंट्स एंड एक्सपोर्ट रिसिप्ट्स is termed as net earnings for the country. Net earnings can be positive, zero or negative. Positive होगा तो क्या होगा? When receipts from exports are more than payments for imports. Zero when receipts from exports are equal to payments for imports. Negative when receipts from exports are less than payments for imports. तो ये हमारा जीडीपी, ग्रॉस डोमेस्टिक प्रोडक्ट और ग्रॉस नेशनल प्रोडक्ट से भी संबंधित कॉन्सेप्ट हो गया. ठीक है, तो ये क्लास 8 का हिंदी का सिलेबस आपका हो गया. ओके, थैंक यू।